Hey guys, today I'm going to tell you how to fix iPhone not responding to touch. If you're using an iPhone and your touch screen has been frozen and your touch is not working, so let's see how can you fix that issue. You just have to make a quick restart to your phone or force restart. So let's see how can you do that. You have to locate your volume up, volume down and the power button. So let's see how can you make a force restart your phone. You have to simply or quickly press and release your volume up, then volume down, then press and hold your power button. So let's see how can you do that. You have to press and release volume up, then volume down, then press and hold your power button until your screen goes fully black. It might take a while, so you just have to wait for that. And after that, just wait for your iPhone logo and then release all buttons. So in this way, you can easily make a force restart your phone. Once your phone has been restarted, you will not get any issue in your touch. But if you're still having the same issue, you have to try it again and again until your touch has been fixed. So in this way, you can easily fix if your iPhone not responding in touch. Thank you very much for watching the video. Until next video, bye bye.